'cause you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven for too long, for too long. Yeah, you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven for too long, for too long. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh. You bring me to my knees, you make me testify. Ooh. You can make a sinner change his ways. Open up your gates, 'cause I can't wait to see the light.
We'll have to stop the music because we just got information today. It appears that NASA has discovered something strange and unusual that just happened. It appears that half of the Earth has been covered up in what appears to be called amethyst. I don't know why it just happened, but NASA will have more details and this even. Oh no. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just reported that a global emergency has been confirmed and is now in effect throughout the United States and the world. Please stand by for a message from the emergency alert system. Please stand by for this message.
Is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS operating handbook for a national level of emergency. The President of the United States, one of the designated representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system.
We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important information and instructions will follow shortly. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
We apologize for the interruption, but the President is not available to speak at this time, but his representative is expected to speak on all stations shortly. Please stand by for this message.
The following message, I can transmit this message at the request of myself, the United States government, and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. Please pay very close attention to this alert as it pertains to an ongoing global emergency. Our world is slowly coming to an end. Many reports of amethyst burned across the world. Many cities across the country has been seen turning into amethyst. Many humans, buildings, cars, trucks, animals, plants, roads, water, and objects were last seen turning into amethyst. It is believed that amethyst will continue to spread across the entire world within the next 5 hours. However, NASA has made some darkest news about the situation. It has been confirmed that there will be no way to stop the situation from happening as this horrific event unfolds. There is no way to survive a catastrophic event. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode. At this time, you are advised to gather your family members, friends, pets, objects, and that makes it comfortable and wait out these final moments. The President has either committed suicide or has been killed and transformed to amethyst. The only thing I can do is let it quote from the Bible. Matthew 24:3. As he sat upon the Mount of Olives, the disciples came unto him privately, saying, Tell us, when shall things be? And what shall be the sign of thy coming and the end of the world? The emergency alert system will now sign off with the final tone one last playing of the United States National Anthem. Please stand by as we declare final activation of the emergency alert system. May God bless you all, and may God bless the United States of America, and furthermore, the world. Thank you and goodbye.
This concludes our operations under the emergency alert system. However, this is the end. We will now play the national anthem on all stations for the one last time. May God be with you all.
I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Plus up, plus up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second.